Hello everyone, it's Mermaid Molly Flora, and I have some things to unbox with you today. I'm pretty excited. I'm pretty sure this one is for swimming, but let's open this other one first. I believe this one should be a hat. So this one is from No Influence, which is a very eco-friendly company. They plant a bunch of trees for every product that they sell, and I have a discount code for them. If you check out my Linktree, you will get a discount on all sorts of different things they have. I got a baseball cap, which I figured this would be very useful in the summer. I spend a lot of time outside in the summer especially. It's like a denim material. That's nice. I saw that they also carry sweaters and different kinds of apparel. They have all sorts of things on there, so definitely go check them out. And this is the one that I'm really excited about. So this one is from Moonsong Magic. This is a mermaid scale bathing suit. And I'm going to use it today when I go swimming. So the idea is that it'll make a seamless transition into your tail. So it looks like you have a scale top, and then it's like a neutral skin color. I went for the lightest skin color that she had, but maybe I should have gone for one darker. And then it blends into your tail. And then that makes it so that your tail is still easy to remove in the event of an emergency, but you have a more seamless look. So I'm very excited to try this out.